Every rider knows the best adventures are the ones you don't break down. But if you do, this little lifesaver makes all the difference. The Roia Moto toolkit, built specifically for the Honda CRF250 Rally. From the outside, you've got a tough nylon roll with YKK zips, compact, rugged and designed to live in your panniers or tailpack without rattling around. Inside, everything has its place. Forged steel spanners, ratchet, pliers, sockets, Allen keys, screwdriver bits, and my personal favourite, the combo tyre levers that double as wrenches. It's all properly thought out, so you're not fumbling for the right bit when you just want to get back on the trail. There are two versions, the always on kit, lighter with the everyday essentials, and the round the world kit, which adds lightweight aluminium tyre levers, a bead retainer, spark plug socket, basically everything you need to fix your bike in the middle of nowhere. And here's a clever little extra, a magnetic patch built right into the roll. Drop your screws or bits on it and they stay put instead of rolling off into the dirt. Simple but an absolute lifesaver on the trail. Roia also makes this compact tyre pump, small enough to slip into the tool bag, but powerful enough to get you rolling again after a puncture. No bulky kit, no fuss, just pump, fix, ride. And if you're changing tyres or working on the chain, the trail stand fits neatly in too. Lightweight, sturdy and easy to set up. It's like having a portable paddock stand in your back pocket. And that's the beauty of the Roia Moto toolkits. Peace of mind. I'm no master mechanic, but with this kit I know I've got what I need for roadside or trailside fixes. Compact, reliable and actually designed for the CRF250 Rally and other models of bikes. So whether you're tackling the trails or chasing horizons, this toolkit's the sidekick every rider deserves.